EPhalamende sekufungisiwe amalungu e-MK Party amasha azothatha ikhala zalamalunga aphumile ahoxiswe iqembu. Kodwa-ke sikhumbula ukuthi lolo daba lusasenkantolo, kodwa-ke asefungisiwe-ke amalungu e-MK Party amasha. Akubuke-ke le video.
Xixima ku tirha tanihi xirho xa huvo ya rixaka hi vuswikoti bya mina hinkwabyo Xikwembu xi pfuna.
Can we now take an oath of affirmation? Those who take an oath will say, I do. I mean, yes. So help me God.
I do.
So help me God.
Thank you very much. Welcome to the National Assembly. Honorable members, now I can say. You have been duly accepted to the House. You can take your seats and sign. I will now ask Mr. Siyabonga Innocent Gama to stand. Mr. Mutofule Kwela, I don't know, Brian Olefe, you will advise me later. Mr. Tulani Innocent Gamete, and Mr. Muzwanele Manu. Can we read the oath or affirmation? Those who are taking an oath, can they say so help me God? And those who are taking an affirmation, say I do. Thank you very much. Welcome to the National Assembly members. You're now honorable members. And you will sign your certificates. Can I now ask Mr. Mohammed Nazir Olsen to stand and Mr. Sinao Tambo to stand? Can we take the oath or affirm?
I, Sinao Tambo, swear that I will faithfully defend the Republic of South Africa, and the Republic for my conscience, as a member of the
Thank you very much. Those who are taking an oath, can you say I do? Those who are affirming, say
other way around.
other way around, yes. Those who take an oath, so help me God, and those who are doing affirmation, to say I do.
So,
Thank you. Can you take a seat and welcome members to the National Assembly. Thank you, honorable members. You are now welcome and you can now start your tasks and responsibilities as full members of the National Assembly. We've provided you with the documents in front of you, with the Constitution as well as the rules that will enable you to do your work in the House. There will obviously be some of the documentations depending on the committees you will be serving on that you will be given in those committees as it is the norm. And I will now invite you to attend the House at 3, because on Wednesday we start at 3 p.m. with the questions. We've provided for translations, maybe not adequately, but we'll feel free to use our own languages, you know, when we speak in the House, for the translation. Yeah. So I'm going to have the speaker to welcome all of you in the House. Thank you very much. You can now take photos outside.
Speaker will join you for the initial part. And then later on.